Do you know how to hear God? I had a hard time understanding how to hear God. What does it sound like? And I do ask some people who hear God pretty well, and they give me all these vague answers. Yeah, you just know when He speaks. You just know. What do you mean? Give me specific. What does it sound like? You just know it. And you see like pictures, like what picture? Like, so it wasn't really discouraging. And there was one time I just told some of my friends, like, I don't think I would never hear God. And then I took this class, and this guy named Mark Virkler, and his answer really helped me. He says, God's voice, to those who are logical, to those who are analytical, those left-brainers, God speaks through spontaneous thoughts. What also he said is, when He speaks, He never go against the Word of God.